I got some locks from steel pinning, and I'm going to try to do this one. A Yale keyway pinned by steel pinnings on January 22nd. We're going to give this one a shot. I appreciate the lock steel pinning. Let's try this tension. A lot of slack in there. Oh, let's see. We'll try this little pick here. See if we can get in here. Man, there's a lot of slack in there. Alright, start the back. I think that's so many pins that is. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I count 5. Four. I think that's 3 there binding. I click on 3, click on 2. Nothing on 1. Back to the back again. Let's see. There it is, 5. Okay, so click on it. That feels like 2. Alright, I touched 5 and got a turn. Click on 4. I think that's 1. Counter rotation. I think I got 1 set. Counter rotation on 2. And there it goes, 2. 2 didn't want to go. 3 set. Nothing on 4. So there was a counter there on the last one. Uh-oh. There it goes, I got it back.
No. See, that's almost like it's blackmail.
Alright, touch 3. Big counter on 2. Alright. I think I got that one set. Nothing on 1. No, I didn't get it set. There's 2 again. Lost the false set. There it is on, I believe that was 3. Alright, pretty tough little lock there. It was fun. And it is open. Oops. And I did lock it up. I did have it open. But I do have a key. There's the bidding on it. Let's see if we can get a screwdriver. Zoom in a little bit on this. Alright. And good follower. Alright, they come out. I was hoping it would.
gonna have to like agree to go eat pizza or something when we get together. 'Cause I can't
All
do
the
it.
pins are in and working, and I see some work done to those pins. Let's see what we got here.
No.
One, two, see. Looks like thread and some spools. We'll get a better look at them.
And I had the menu, and I was like, oh, they didn't cook your steak, and he was like, no, I'm gonna eat this.
I'll get these out first, and then we'll look at everything.
And he was like, you ruined your steak, so when he grills for us, he gets mad at me if we cook steak. Yo, what are you
Find
almost cussing me out.
where tweezers at. There they are. Okay, that is one that way. Two is.
Oh, no. Oh, yuck. No,
Let's go to
three.
three. Oh, that's a nice one.
My mom is worse than me though. Like when we grill hamburgers, I don't like it when other people grill. She'll be like, "Look at that grill."
Some small threads on here.
You worse than me.
Alright, that's all that. And let's see. I don't know if he's got different size springs in here.
That's how my brother cooks his. I made him take mine back and put it on the grill. I didn't make him. I asked him politely, but it was very stern.
Looks like they're going to be all the same size springs.
I never ate those. I've always wanted to try them, but I've never ate them. Really? Yeah, I've never tried that.
Alright, let's see if there's any work done.
I've ate squirrel. I don't like it. I've tried different stuff. Really? I've never
I
ate
don't
snakes.
see any work.
I've ate alligator.
Won't focus.
Yeah, well, we had alligator tail. I guess it's like the same. I don't know. But we had that. Never ate that.
Well, I don't want to focus.
I tried squirrel. I didn't like it. I tried frog legs. But everybody tells
I
me
don't see any work done in the Bible. Don't feel any threading or anything. Alright, let's zoom in on these pins. Alright, number one. Key pin looks like a serrated spool. Ain't nothing wanting to focus today. Alright, and then we got it's like a shallow spool. Number two, the key pin is a spool. And a kind of a serrated spool. Three is a double spool with a like a T-pin. See, it's a, what is this, 4 is a serration. Top pin is serration. This is a kind of like a T-pin. It's been narrowed up here on the end. And the spool. And the core. Alright, he's done some work in here. Let's look at this closer here. Number one. Looks like some deep cut in here. Focus, there it is. It's got a real deep cut right here. 2 looks like serration, I guess. 3 smooth, 4 serrated.
No, and I've never tried pig feet. Pigs too much.
5's got a
Never tried
cut.
pig ears. I don't.
Inset cut right here.
If it ain't like, no, I told you I mean this is pig.
Okay, other side. It's inset cut this
I mean,
way.
I could pork chops every once in a while.
And one is too. Alright, well that's what we have on
What?
this Yale from Steel Penning.
Oh, no.
Steel Penning, I appreciate the lot. And
No.
it's been a real fun pick.
I've never
Thanks for watching.
My uncle used to eat those.
And
Make that
y'all subscribe and God bless.